Hello viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation by means of factorization, most especially when the leading coefficient is not 1. If I say leading coefficient, I mean the first term, the coefficient of the first term. You can see that in this case the coefficient of the first term is 12. So follow me, let's solve the equation together. So solution. In solving quadratic equation by means of factorization, we need to know three things. First, we need to know the product, we need to know the sum and the factors. So the product in finding the product, we need to multiply the first and the last term. So 12 times negative 2 will give us negative 24. This is our product, and as we all know that product is multiplication, so we need to know the sum. The sum is the coefficient of the middle term, whether positive or negative is still sum. So this is negative 5, and we need to know the factors. So in knowing the factors, we need to relate between these two. We need to find two numbers that when multiplied between the two, the result will be 24. And when the two numbers are added or subtracted, the result will be negative 9. So let's see the product of 24. We have 1, we have 24. We know that we have 3 and 8. We know that we have 4 and 6. So we also have 2 and 12. We know that there is no way the differences between these will give us 5. So this is out. There is no way the difference between these will give us 5, because the difference between 4 and 6 is just 2. So when we look at this, we'll get to understand that the difference between them is 5. Yes. And when we subtract 8 from 3, the result will be negative 5. So this is what we are looking for. So how can we get negative 5? Is by adding negative to 8. So we have 3, we have negative 8. And these are our factors. So since these two are our factors, we are replacing this this negative 5x with this 3 and negative 8. Thank you. So here I will have 12x squared. Instead of this minus 5x, I will either put 3x minus 8x or minus 8x plus 3x. The order in which you are going to put which one comes first is immaterial. You may decide to put minus 8 first before positive 3x, and you may decide to put positive 3x before minus 8. You may decide to interchange them. Definitely the result, provided these two factors are correct, you will still have your answer intact. So you may decide to put 3x plus 3x minus 8x. Someone may decide to put minus 8x here before 3x. You may decide to kickstart with whichever the two. So this 3x minus 8x is replacing this minus 5x. So minus 2 is now equals to 0. We can now factorize by grouping. We group the two together. That means we group these two together. We group these two together. So here we can see that 3x is common here. 3x can go into this 12x squared and 3x. So I factor 3x out, bracket open, I put 4x plus 1. Because by the time we open this bracket, we are definitely getting this back. So what is common here? is -2. -2 is common here, so here I will have 4x plus 1, because by the time I open this bracket, I'm still getting this back to be equals to 0. Importantly, whenever the two brackets, because I have two brackets here, this and this, whenever the content of the two brackets is not the same, just know that what we are doing is wrong. This bracket and this bracket must be the same. So once you notice any differences, any discrepancy between the two, just know that, just go back and trace where the problem is. So here I have 3x, I will pick this and this, minus 2. I'll open the bracket. I have two brackets containing the same content. I'll pick only one, so no need to pick the two. I'll pick 4x plus 1 to be equals to 0. We remember that our product rule that said whenever I have A multiplying B to be equals to 0, that means definitely one of them must be equals to 0. It's either this first bracket or the second bracket is equals to 0. That means 3x minus 2 to be equals to 0, or 4x plus 1 to be equals to 0. So here, let me draw a line. So I'm looking for x, that means I need to subtract 2 from both sides. That means I'll have x is equals to 2. Here, I'm looking for x, that means I will have to subtract this. I added 2. This I will have to subtract 1. So 4x will now be equals to minus 1. I'm looking for x. I have to divide both sides by 3 here. 3, so that x will now be equals to 2 over 3. This 4 divided by 4, x will now be equals to minus 1 over 4. So in conclusion, we can see that x is equals to 2 over 3, or x is now equals to minus 1 over 4. And this is all I have for you for today, my viewer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you will never want to miss all our content for any reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.